Hello, my name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. It is Tuesday, April 25th, 2023, and today's tip comes from the Zen Lawyer, Winning with Mindfulness. I wrote that with my good friend Jay Rinson-Wyke, who's also a Zen master and a 6th-degree black belt in Aikido and an amazing jazz guitarist. Wow. And then me, a trial lawyer. And together, we wrote this book in which it says, equally important to showing jurors danger is to show hope, the potential for something better. The jury is the protagonist of the story. They are the ones to decide whether to write a cynical ending to your client's story or one that gives some hope for the future. Yeah, you see, I wrote this, I believe strongly in it. It's worth looking in your cases. I believe this has a large impact on damages. No matter how bad it is, it's great if there's some hope. Now, there's some cases where it really takes, it's more difficult to find that. I think of the most difficult cases, a whole family, 5 people, mom, dad, and 3 kids all killed, and this is the surviving sibling of one of them, because that's all that's left in the family, bringing the case. I mean, where's the hope in that? Even in that, why are you bringing this? Is it just a profit? I would ask that as the plaintiff's lawyer, because they're going to suggest it as the defense. No, it was important to bring this case because... And is there some hope in that? And that's going to the extreme. I always like to make a point by thinking of the extremes. What would be the opposite extreme? The opposite extreme is your client has a bad knee. They can't play softball anymore, which they love to do, or play with their kids, or go back to their job. And maybe they don't have health insurance, and they need this verdict to get the knee surgery. I mean, that's a simple one. We want the knee surgery so we can go back to work and provide for ourselves. And most cases are somewhere in between those two, right? There's something important that the wrongdoer took from your client, the ability to enjoy certain parts of their life, to perform certain activities, and they're never going to get back to where they were before. But what hope is there? What, if you can show it directly, will the money that you're asking for, the value of what the wrongdoer took from your client, what difference will it make? What hope will it provide? And if it's not directly that they can do things that they used to be able to do, maybe your client's in a wheelchair. Maybe the hope is they loved being in the outdoors. Part of this money can get them a wheelchair that can go through the woods. They have wheelchairs like that. With big wheels and stable for your client. Maybe it's maybe the hope is just that somebody will understand their witness what your client went through. That's also a hope. It's not easy. It's not cookie cutter. I can't tell you these are the 3 things that you look for hope. This is the work we do with our clients. This is spending the time with them. And when you find where the hope is, you find the story, you find what will relate to the jurors, you find what will motivate the jurors, because jurors want to help. They want to have some hope and to help other people make their dreams or hopes come true. So when you can provide them with a way to do that through a verdict that results in a meaningful verdict. Let's now just pause, take a deep breath together, and be grateful to be alive this Tuesday. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world. May our efforts today help repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately, because those things can exist together. May we advocate for our clients. May we champion their stories. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, it's Tuesday, wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great day.